I am a Koham remote control lawn mower, born to solve the problem of weeding. Although I am strong and sturdy, I am easy to operate. The owner only needs to hold the remote control and lightly tap it to move forward, backward, and turn. I can respond quickly without any delay. I can move forward steadily, whether it is a vast field or a steep hillside. My teeth are extremely sharp, and I can quickly cut off all kinds of weeds and small shrubs. While working, I will also carefully crush the cut grass and spread it on the ground as fertilizer. I am super quiet when running. I won't disturb others, nor will I interfere with the surrounding environment. Low noise and environmentally friendly. With me, the owner no longer has to bend over and weed and sweat, and can easily enjoy a tidy countryside. Isn't it great?